Hey guys, Chris V here in beautiful Reno, Nevada, displaying the all-new Lance 2075. Has a beautiful European look to it. We all know Lance is the best in the business, and you get some of the highest standards when they come to look at these things, so it's only right for Lance to continuously upgrade the beauty of their product, the quality of their product, and the customer service they offer to the entire nation. Now, I want to go over a couple things here. If you take a look at this awning, this is a wind sensing awning. This thing drops to about 4 or 5 inches. It's going to go inside for the safety of the awning as long as you have battery power hooked up. Let's take a look at that demonstration. Okay, so once the awning went in, it detected that about 5-6 inches, and it says, nope, this is dangerous for the awning. Automatically going in. Another thing is you're going to have lighting on the inside. What that's going to do is it's not going to get the weathering to where it comes down and you got a big smiley face cord of lights hanging down there. This weathering, it prevents that. So with all the stuff coming through, the rain, the snow, the wind, your lights are folded up in the corner of this and they're in the roller, so when they come out, they come right back at you and not out at the other campers, so you're not shining light at the other campgrounds, upsetting the other people out there trying to have a good time. Another thing you got here, storm latch doors. Beautiful feature here, magnetized, and the picnic table, just in case. We've all been to the camp spots where you get there and the picnic table is just thrashed, people putting gum all over the place. That's what's nice about this. Another thing is battery theft. We've all seen it in the RV world. This puppy just opens up on each side and your batteries go right in there. You can even get the 6-volt upgrade to where we'll just rewire it for you. Come down here and see me, Chris V, at Sprads RV in Reno, Nevada. But first, let's go look inside this beautiful 2075 Lance, the best in the business. Chris V here, Sprads RV, Reno, Nevada, displaying the inside of this 2075 Lance. Absolutely phenomenal product. Couple things I like to go over. First thing is right here. Okay, now you can see that in here. You can see this lift up right here. This actually holds 7 bottles, whether it's wine, Jameson, whatever you prefer to drink. Something nice in there. It's going to keep it away from the sunlight, more towards room temperature. Keep in mind, insulation in this is phenomenal, so open some windows every now and then. But I will tell you, one of the really nice other features here is these guys right here. So these cabinets, when I lift that up, it's obviously going to open up. You got the really nice residential brackets on the inside, the hinges and everything. And then right here, as I'm lowering, I can just simply let go and it will actually come all the way in and close. Self-closing cabinets, self-closing drawers. I mean, this is super European style, which Lance, they are always going to compete with the best in the world. They're not just out for America. They're looking to become the best ever. And I'll be honest with you, in America, Lance is second to nobody, in my opinion. You can love your Airstreams, but if rocks hit my coach, they're not going to get dents on it. Now, also your table. Your table is a 4-way adjusting table. You can see my arm movements here. As it goes, this table will adjust that way, that way, that way, that way. So if you have a larger person in here, you could bring the table towards the smaller person or whatnot. Therefore, everybody is equally comfortable. Last thing. Now, you're not going to see it from here, but I'm going to just open it so you can hear it. That is an actual skylight window that will open and you got fresh air. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. You can see all the sunlight coming in, and then I just close that, lock it in, you're good to go. I would definitely recommend coming to see this 2075 Lance. It's the most European trailer I've ever seen. Absolutely phenomenal product. And even being a small coach, it still has a 6 cubic foot fridge with the standard freezer in it. Come see me, Sprad's oldest salesman, Chris V, down here at Sprads RV in Reno, Nevada. I'd love to help you out. I've been here a long time and I know my product. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.